This is a DeWalt ToughSystem storage cases. They come in various sizes. This one here is a DS150. You have the 250, the 300 and the 400 on the bottom. They all come with metal catches on the front, reinforced steel hinges on the back, and they're made of super strong 4mm plastic. If you want to stack them on top of each other, they have the yellow catches, and you just stack them up, snap these over the side, and they'll hold them in position. Great for transporting them in the van. If you want something else to take the strain around the site, you simply slot them onto the wheels, like we have here. They'll snap into position. You have a bar at the back which locks it all together, and then you're good to go wherever you need to.